Guys, I'm in Brufut. And this is how it looks here in this part of the Gambia called Brufut. I'm around the Brufut street market. Yeah. Guys, this is the Brufut street market. As you guys can see, guys, this is how a local Gambian street market looks. These are second-hand clothes. Sorry, no money.
Wait, what's that boy? Son?
What's up, man?
And then guys, that's the Brufut Lower Basic School. That's the main entrance of the school. Yeah, Brufut Lower Basic School. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. I'm in this part of the Gambia called Brufut. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how this part of Brufut looks in rainy season in the year 2025. Plus I'll be showing you the latest update on this new route which they are constructing here in this part of Brufut. As you guys can see, that's a football field down there. As you can see, those donkeys grazing. Yeah, and this is how the condition of this road looks here in Brufut. Yeah. The road is almost complete, but they haven't started installing the street lights, which are supposed to be a solar street lights, and these are the places they'll be installing the street lights. Yeah, on this road. Guys, I begin this video from Brufut Street Market, and then here I am showing you how this other part of Brufut looks. This is the real raw footage of Brufut in 2025, the Gambia. Yeah. Your boy is over here showing you the real life here in this part of the Gambia, showing you houses block by block. Yep. Guys, the amount of stairs I'm getting here, oh my goodness, it's too much. Some people will be like, what is this boy doing? Why is he filming? Because most of them are not familiar with vloggers, like holding a camera in the public and you'll be talking to yourself. I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys. You guys watching. Yeah. Yes, let me try to get to this other side, which is here. Guys, I'm walking towards Brufut, Ghana town. Yeah. Guys, I think when I get to that other side, I will get a better view for you guys. Guys, I'm walking towards Brufut, Ghana town, where some Ghanaian peoples are residing. Yeah, there are so many Ghanaians there. That place is called Brufut, Ghana town. Yeah. Guys, I begin this video all the way from there, walking towards down there. Guys, this is how this neighborhood of the Gambia looks. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all I have for you in today's video here in Brufut, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace.